here once again. We want to showcase to you today how to make Ghana rice and Nigerian rice. I am here with my landlady, a beautiful black woman who happens to be a food vendor here, and she's going to teach us how to make delicious Ghana jollof rice. And I also have my sister here. She will also teach us how to make Nigerian jollof rice, and I'm going to be the moderator. My kitchen is just occupied. I'm going to be the moderator in today's recipe, so keep watching as we bring you all these beautiful recipes. All right?
Okay, so I'm here to cook Nigerian jollof rice here. So here is the rice that we are going to be cooking today, and this is blended tomatoes, and this is the chicken here. We have the chicken here, and then this is the green bell pepper, and then this is the red pepper, and there's onion and ginger there. This is blended garlic. This is curry. This is actually a very good curry. I'm sure Nigerians will know this curry. Dukrus is as long as I know. And this is thyme, dried thyme, and this is our tomato paste. Not forgetting our Maggi cubes and bay leaf. And this is the oil that we are going to be using. I know it's big, but it's just a little we are going to be needing. And then this is blended spice for jollof rice. Okay, so I am back again, but before I do any other thing, I'm going to marinate my chicken. So to do that, I'll be taking a little garlic paste. So this is blended garlic paste, and I'll just be taking a little. And then I'll be adding thyme, and then I'll add curry to it, and then a little bit of salt. So that is it for marinating. So now I'm going to stir this very well and leave it to stay for 15 minutes while I go and parboil my rice. So for non-Nigerian audience, parboiling is when you cook your rice for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the quantity of rice. Then you wash it off before cooking properly. So now let me go off the camera and parboil my rice while my chicken marinates. Okay, so this is the outcome now. This is after 15 minutes. This is how it is. So I'm just going to start cooking it now. So let this cook for some minutes before we start frying. Okay, so the chicken is ready now. So all I have to do now is to bring it out of the stock and then start frying it. Okay, so now I'm putting the oil for frying my chicken. So I'm going to allow the oil to get hot for a while before I start cooking the chicken. Okay, so I'm meant to build this here, but because my monitor is complaining about the length of the video, so I'm just going to go inside and build this green bell pepper and the normal pepper, then blend it together and come outside. So now let me start putting the chicken because the oil is very hot now. So it's already frying. Once this side is frying now, once it's golden brown, I'm going to turn it over to the other side, and then I remove it and add another set. Okay, so now I'm going to add my oil so I can start making my stew for the jollof rice. So I'm going to add this is fresh tomato. I'm just going to allow this to stay for a minute or two before I add tomato paste. So now I'm adding my garlic. This is already blended. Then next I'll be going in with my tomato paste. So I'm throwing in my basil. I was meant to throw it before I put my tomato paste in. I'm adding my seasoning cubes. I'm adding just 2 now. I used 1 to cook my chicken, remember. So now I'm adding the oldest Nigerian curry that I know, because I'm just going to cook for more 2 minutes so everything will go inside. So now I'm going to add my blended green bell pepper, red pepper and ginger. So I grew them before I blend it. So I'm just going to add it now. And allow it to just cook some more before I add the stock, the chicken stock. So our base is almost ready. So I want to add this mixed jollof spice. So the base is ready now. I'll just add the chicken stock and then add like more water so that the water I need to be able to cook my. So I'm now going to add my salt. And I'll check if it's
Renting barrier still.
allow it to boil before adding the rice. So as you can see, this is boiling and boiling really good. So I'm just going to add my rice to it. So now I'm going to cover with a foil so that it's going to cook with this amount of water that is already inside. Okay, so this is how it is now. It's almost ready. Like water to go. So as you can see, jollof is ready. So one thing with Nigerian jollof is that it's always like 1-1. You'll be seeing the grain single like that. So I don't know how to explain it, but I really hope you understand what I'm saying. So this is it. It is ready. We'll now dish it and serve.
Wow, the rice is okay. What she's trying to say is that how single the Nigerian jollof rice comes out is the beauty of it all. When you are eating it, you will really be feeling it, you know.
So as you can see, our delicious and tasty Niger jollof rice is ready. So I don already put my chicken where we go use chopper, and the good thing is that you can actually have this rice with any protein of your choice: turkey, fish, beef, any protein of your choice. And if you want enjoy well, you fit add fried plantain. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed doing this with me just as much as I enjoyed doing this. See you later.